We are recording 11:59 p.m. 11:59, Jordan. We're making it in time. Unfortunately, well, we shall see, I guess. Let me get some windows out of here. And we have good news and we have bad news. Good news is we got to move this over here. And good news is we got our 30-day vlog challenge at least started for day 2 in time for your challenge. And let's see, what was the other thing we're gonna do? We gotta go to BizRise.io and check out your plan results. And the other thing that we got done today was we got our video done. Let me show you that real quick, brother. I know we are not editing, so these are just straight transitions. Boom, Streamlabs Desktop Ultra. Well, you should live stream. But here is our HomeStead MadeEasy community setup assist. This is just from the live we did last night. I am not going to edit this. I need to open up a YouTube tab somewhere to monitor that chat, youtube.com. So I'm not going to edit it. I'm going to send it directly to you so you can check it out and see what you think. And then from there we can post it, but I am going to go over the results of what the AI spit out for HomeStead MadeEasy, brother. And I haven't even looked at those yet either. So, you know, sometimes you just gotta fucking wing it. And, you know, that's how we're going to do it over here at the AI Factory. We teach stuff live, so we just go to work, son. And as a homesteader, I feel like you would appreciate that approach and be like, yo, man, I like your style because you're just out there figuring it out and you're not trying to make it something that it's not. Exactly what we're gonna do. Because you're doing it, so why wouldn't we? You know, let's just get after it. I'm sorry, I should have had my windows better prepared. That's on me, but I was really trying to get your video all done and at least downloaded, uploaded, but I just downloaded it before midnight. So let's just go over this. What was the whole deal with what we're doing? Well, first things first, we need to check out Jordan's 30-day vlog challenge. And this is really cool. He started this, which, I mean, it's really kicking off right now. Midnight, so perfect timing, but I started a little early. But this is a really cool challenge, it's just to get more comfortable. There's a lot of ways to make money in the creator economy, and he's talking about, you know, some homesteading skills, what you can do there, which I think are fantastic skills to have. Like, you absolutely need these skills, and I think they're going to be more important than ever. Like, why not have these skills to go out and set it up for yourself and what it takes? And with his challenge, like, he wants to get a little bit more comfortable in front of the camera, just kind of get things going and build up a YouTube channel, which is great. Awesome approach to it. Other people can join, learn and grow together. Fantastic, fantastic idea. So what I did last night with Jordan was we went over the AI community assist on BizRise.io. Let's go check it out and just see what our results are for HomeStead MadeEasy. What it does, and this is available right here on the homepage of BizRise.io. And this is what we teach in our community. But what we got here, let me make sure I have my chats up so I can at least see them. I got TikTok and YouTube going tonight. But what did we get for Mr. Jordan's community? Let's see what we got. And it gives him a good plan to get started. Like, so when he's ready, like, I don't think he's going to go start a community just yet. But when he's ready, sorry, talking and typing is fun. But Jordan, once you see this plan and kind of what I've laid out for you, brother, I think you're going to be a little bit more excited about potentially starting a community. I get the timing, but hey, you start sooner than later, brother. I mean, you're already on the path. You're already going to be recording the videos. Why not optimize this thing, all right? So when you come into BizRise.io, this is part of your free account. Just so you can see your community setup, you know, really kind of get things going. Go into your community assist here. And let's see, so we have your target market. And what I'm going to do is I got to send you these. No, I'll just copy all these. and put them in a post for you in the community in the AI factory. So let's go. Where are we going to put this one in? We need to go process optimization. We are going new post here. HomeStead MadeEasy community assist plan. Hey. That's what happens sometimes during live, is your dogs get after it. Results. So I will post them here. Results. See, we got your target market. Boom, boom. Look at that. We're going to get you ready to go. So that whole plan will be inside of process optimization for you to take a look at. If you want to start that community, it's going to be fantastic, man. I think it'd be a great idea. Now, why do I get excited about HomeStead MadeEasy and why this would be a good idea to have this community set up with your plan? Well, that we need to go to cloud.google.com. And what it's called is a Vertex AI search. Like, think about this. If you're going to be live streaming, you're going to be recording all these videos for your channel, it's a good way to teach people how to do all these things, right? But you can use that transcription, train an AI search, which is really cool because it responds to Gemini. It's like a smart search that can provide answers based on Gemini with your knowledge. So if you're recording all this stuff, use the transcription to train a badass AI search that you can put within your community to monetize it. Process optimization is what we're talking about, all right? So let's go to search. Ooh, is it vector search now? They're always renaming stuff in Google. Cool, I gotta check that out. But no, we are in agents. So we are an agent builder is what we're looking for. And we're going to create an app. And this would be, let's say you go out and film a video, how to start a fire in the woods, and you have like a 30-minute transcription of how to get this done. What you can do up here is go to search and create this app. You're gonna go generic. You can go HomeStead MadeEasy demo, HomeStead Easy. What you can do is utilize this to put it on your website or embed it somewhere. The nice thing about these apps is they're not like a whole new platform. It's just like a feature you can bolt onto your own platform, like your WordPress website, to make it effective for your customers and your users. So you can use AI to optimize your process and make a product to help you monetize it. Okay, every time we're doing this, we're going to select global as a region. And in order to do that, data store, right? Like, this gives you an idea of where we can train this search on. You can do your website. BigQuery cloud storage is what we're going to use. We're just going to create a doc out of your plan. And then when you're recording tutorials, if you just add to the doc with your transcription, it learns it, right? That's all you would do. And all you got to do from here is upload a Google Doc or a PDF to a folder in the cloud. And you're going to have an AI agent trained. Now, that's what I'm going to do tonight for the whole live stream. That was just the introduction. But take a look at your community plan. Take a look at what got put together. And let me know what you think. Put some feedback in the community. I appreciate you, man. I look forward to continuing watching your journey and see you grow on live.